Badwam Mpensenpensemu to enkomo so an say mamenka say aha e Badwam on Adom TV. Lawyer kakra because high asempa 94.7. I Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So no kono pepepe na ye da wase na oguso ahwa Adom TV. Quickly mamema those reminders that makes you a true Ghanaian. Inti amari in fibribia da no soranopa. After your prayer, after everything, remember you're a Ghanaian, and to be patriotic, love your country, and be truthful to your country, and be honest to your country, and always be transparent in all your dealings to your country. So help me God. It's very important. By identifying you as a true Ghanaian, be a proud Ghanaian. Say the beya the positives about this country and our over. And then I have for homecoming. 3-day homecoming, 30th December, 31st December, and the 1st of January. Yadamu nyina ma se ye ba fie ana ye ko fie na yakosiesie fie. Under the able leadership of George Boachi, we are so grateful. Nananom nyina yadamase, mrashibe dwafo nyina yadamase. Titu ye Council of State Rep Nana Baswa and CEO Bechem United, CEO King's Cottage. Yera Agama, Dr. Agama, Dr. Kinsley. Damase ne the support, needed supporter, Modema El Kwansun. So watch this space. I have homecoming 30th to 31st of December 2022 and the 1st of January 2023. A whole lot, a job box just to ensure say ye hu ye hono na ye dwena have ho so said the bear have bit me akonkai. And don't forget that I have a pledge me Yakubu Chipsa, me Alex Boam, me ya Trinswa Hima Papabi, me Educhu Mamosa. So for this so the animunyam the can call the Puntu and Amidibeboa a half region Tierra de Boame. And a belated 60th birthday to Tepa Mahine. Happy birthday. Tepa Mahine, a belated one. Yakase, the Okosu Yama Tepa addition, one any show ye pa, eti nana on kwaso. It's also important. Say, we be appreciate na ya acknowledge. Whilst we also commend the efforts of NADMO under the able leadership of Nana Jimai Prempe. You see, Bagrida Monkomo, look as a trim. There's a management team in place, even though at the end of Buffalo, you so there, but said ye almost didn't know go aquamono. Senior, but measured this time around. I'm a nipa do donors or mote be a bill soon a befano. This time I'm more city if you want the casualties no a baffom kakra. That Nana Prempe, Ajima Prempe, that also do team that's one more NADMO no. Once you had Damasi or Quanson, because say more managing in times like this for Mother Ghana. Say ibiti mejina ho iye and ibiti mejina brand so. Daniel ni kwate titles global atenase sanso na lawyer Chum Berryman so atenase. The conversation is about the Ghana First agenda to ensure say Ghana bekwa kodu mpempenso a menu nyina no ye pese ekodu. Abo ni kwate akwaba lawyer Chum Berryman akwaba mejidi se obi ahoye. Yana Mishro lawyer who is alternative, I know I shall see a church. My name says submissions before ladyship and I say lordship, nobody. Yeah, the quarters with the research officer no be come corner cooking kind. I'm sure today at your children can oh yes, yeah, Papa.
True.
Yes.
One mama sila no pay, na be do.
Yes, Adom FM.
Adom. Na me share bibi wo phone.
Yes.
Na me go say we di message and say na me be say driver say na come one only na money say na be too boys here. Na sometimes say that we see we never do. The bit that was a conditioner. Now, wow, uti esisu. I like the humor, you know, and you have made the broadcasting so interesting. And the rich experience in Woody Ghana Kanko, and there's another one on the Ecosystem.
Yes.
Ghana Kosei.
Yeah.
And where Ghana Kosei, Ghana where the humor and the passion at which Woody Ejumano.
Yeah, I'm so. That's why I don't know. Conditional is every time. What I say? What
yeah, we over the weekend.
Yes,
they're one of the long Ampofo-Adjei. Then Chachu Pediato. We are 2019.
Oh, okay.
He was like a father to me, and the clan chief knew me because he's a chairman. Then of we take you back, but in them we done. Eko buebusa for the Kujiragbe Divisional Council you know internally na me buy and bibia ya kama na uzambo was we declare war true
in court
was we declare war ya kasapa
okay so we declare war
it here we are coming to discuss about what me talking about was it make room for suggestion from NDC and a whole national chairman. Why? Who was saying?
Someone can say we are Prof Gyampo. I know what they
now I'm a lawyer. Cry a man say a man. I've not paid attention.
Was it Professor Gyampo?
Professor Ransford Gyampo, a political science lecturer at the University of Ghana, wants the Electoral Commission to dialogue with the opposition National Democratic Congress on the use of the Ghana card as the source document for voter registration. The NDC has vehemently opposed the use of the Ghana card, saying many voters will be disenfranchised. It is on the back of this that the University of Ghana professor thinks it will be advisable for the Electoral Commission to make room for the suggestions from the NDC. The current mode of identification for registering to vote include a passport, a national ID, an existing voter ID or two guarantors. The EC is seeking to review the law to replace these documents with the Ghana card. The draft CI titled Public Regulations 2021 is expected to regulate the upcoming continuous voter registration exercise. The new constitutional instrument that could enforce this change is in Parliament and has been referred to the Subsidiary Legislation Committee of Parliament. The NDC is worried because not all Ghanaians of voting age have the Ghana card. So that's their
Professor Gyampo neck
suggesting that it would be good, ideal.
But Professor Gyampo neck to Tambo for dinner.
Yeah, the men are maybe I mean, can be say, Ebia na bibia koso enim.
Okay, say. Ona was it then?
Mami church for you na na me kan kire council say. Ejuma we abotre juma. Abotre juma. Na say NDC for and all political parties, we make the Electoral Commission. Say any ho a Electoral Commission omuntimi ye juma. Achofo nyina mechiamo na se modi concern aba se yisi e the new CI e the Parliament na yemfa nhwe kwan e befa so a will regulate elections and you have serious reservation ye koso a ye kan ACP and nituna Professor Gyampo e ka kire say alizema NDC for naso na msemo no mo ikeka no you measure how we can factor it into your finishing in some okay. Omo can say Dr. Frenya Abreso any Madam for Miniaba Charlotte Abreso no. There is some level of consultations yeah. To your point the crowd cry more political parties cry tiku mamu yes I know not the EC no then ajatum then they will present it as a united body. Even though we know say constitutional must even say electoral commission, the sole authority in the regulation of elections in this country. In this, when you na siyeka na enkosipi na ka share party for na wudwa wenum because heat was also mosquitoes over two ideas so you just open your mouth and say all kinds of things. It is not a pleasant statement. Come this is not a pleasant statement. Say, as a whole national chairman, Ubeka say NDC is building a machinery for 2024 election, a war machinery.
Oh,
why do you know?
Go, because I want to be sure. It's too
go to Google.
It's too dangerous a statement.
Go to Google.
Very careful. Maybe a contest to crowd. They can't.
Go to Google. When I saw I saw it in a consistent platform. My page. I say, oh, my brother.
Okay, starting you know.
Me say, you see, media people, you can have a good idea of whatever you want to say, but they always speak what they think is relevant to them for their story.
Certainly, of course.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So why nobody put a gun on your head to compel you to make those comments? Say, your friend is saying, one for so as your chairmanship, you've got a hung parliament, blah blah blah.
The chairman of the opposition National Democratic Congress, Samuel Ampofo-Adjei, has touted achievements chalked under his leadership.
What is this?
He said under his tenure, the party has managed to blah blah blah. The chairman, who is seeking re-election, said in a September 28 interview with Radio Gold that the current executives have collectively delivered on the mandate given to them. I can say as the leader of the party that it was through my effort.
What is the headline there? What is the headline?
Come on. I want to get
no, sorry,
let's be the free banner.
Is a host in what Jaya?
Minya discussion. I've Ubeji. Zadia went to
a you miss with that.
Headline, I mean, become a headline.
You have a minister.
Someone for example added that the NDC has become the maybe on he said they will, oh okay, I'll just have to look at this. I'll just have to look at this and come back because the aim but the headline
having skimmed
we are building NDC as a war machinery of Ampofo declares.
Now
what kind of story?
They are putting in place a new man.
There is nothing you can say to this is going to be a topic for this week.
According to
headline week, a good story. I was here dissecting
for them.
Because me amini ampeni jedi makoka or see do and die. You can't you and I wish the abeso so said they are building a friend saying war machinery for election 2024. What do you want to cook? Maybe send this for no for some people. And then we should say, "It's a mosquito." So you open your mouth and speak like this. Let us condemn statement like this. It is not good for this country. Kasa sebi, I know how you are. Kasa wenu, I was here more for some people. But
I want to find out where the war is. And the media, we should be careful because what I'm reading, what I'm reading here.
Thank you.
It's not. It will not be entirely fair. Correct. Say bear side. Okay.
Thank you.
We gave everyone who contested John Mama for the flag a job to do. Through that unity of purpose, we were able to perform well at the 2020. We never lost the election. The Supreme Court was the one that did not uphold our case. That is why we have said we won't go to the Supreme Court in 2024, but we are strengthening the party base at the polling station level. Beyond this, me who baby are.
Omahene.
Mani
never pop.
Headline.
Yes, the headline is
the headline.
We are building NDC as a war machinery of Ampofo declares. So that's why I mean, that's why I mean, we have to be careful with some of these.
And I'm the
you. Oh, they're on here.
Okay. Because So who declare war? Yen nyina nim de war.
On declare war.
Na nipa mienu ene okọ war. Na say who declare war? Says you entrance yen show sir. Okay. We will not sit down.
They are putting the party base.
Don't say things.
That is a start.
But you don't also, you don't forcibly push the
because enya kasa ye kasa pa. Me ni kwate
bi. Sa kasa no kai.
Okay.
Ye ho ade share.
Why you don't na die na? I know so many declare what kind of
such captions said you are not at fault. Your interests are at scale.
It's about
the headline na onya. Me be say no ndem nya da me card no. Abi me hwema I will not go to court. Yes, ampa. Also on court because omo ndi nkugu court na nti omo say one supreme. We can have that conversation.
Court na lawyer dey. Court na we zapan, we nko. You have no facts, you have nothing. We zapan, we say di asema. Lawyer dey. And I John got Jenna Fanny says simpie so and o catch on say judges I say so tia. Na wo court wo ni nyina so na wo court. Kobrey. Wo court wo so wo nyina so. Wo ni say wo nyina so nko kasem. Na say wo ko na etiti awa. E mere bi atwa mu de edi ma wo de hede. E se to aso. E bre wo de di wo so de e na wo to nyum. Wo ba mikro mu wo afashe even kpelejo. Afashe even kpelejo. Yes sir. Di asasa. Wo de di wo so de ma wo de. O we na supreme court de. Na wo court na asem na wo di ko ye no. Enye kasapa no. Enye nyaso bia no. And the judges no etutia wonti ase. So you come out and say all kinds of things against the judge. So we call. Last week, what year? Association of Magistrates, judges, no. What did you almost say they are not above criticisms. They are not. But in choir, not NDC for be and their parachikis and their party for no Eddie Tredy FN saying Eddie Cassidy judges, no. And yet what? Intermediate say chairman headline na media na ba no. Omba no be yina no. Because enye kasapa. It is not good for this country. And mesre no 2024 obi ani ni abre na so ye te ade so ye nja ye ho sa ye so be aduma
all the things just doing this
absolutely so for me I
declares war declares war it's not good for us.
We should not. Na Professor Gyampo asema na waka no mefuaso say ye nyina ye hwekwa be fa so a ye di ye betu ye na yi bibia aba na ye pri enim na di akọ amasudwani aba but nobody can scare anybody in this country for that one to assure the NDC nobody obi ntumi won obi a
but what continues to be the na me bisa chemofo so Ampofo no baby obekutumi akwa me edi nkomo
is IPAC
also say my really worried. No, I'm worried because they are the biggest opposition party and I got the privilege to speak to revered electoral commissioners 3, and some of them said almost they are worried because elections into say Baku cry a train whether Kasi or Kitu almost you said there was a platform for all these concerns.
And you see because the economy nyawonde no na metie serebo and they could say or see every IPAC meeting they extend invitation to them even though they will not come you so na minutes na ya chechire ni nyina no e dia come on.
As a matter of fact, we need to plead with the NDC to be back to IPAC because yes the lawyer as a meaning how the party as a how we no if you because tension shall say pija at this point is not good.
All right, me that's ready kan chiankoma wo mo ajibre ehwe ni na my main cancer duapi says Samuel of Ampofo, where the national chairman of the NDC as it stands now has never declared any war for 2024. Take it authoritatively. We declare war for 2024 elections. And I'm very glad, said a very professional job, by not just taking a part of the statement, but taking it as a whole, which is reading the entire news reportage in a and nowhere in it I indicate to say Papana declare war for 2024. His point was very simple. We can't go into 2024 elections without preparing our base and our structures. And now So the party in Pennyforce will more than 2 quite. For that reason, it is important that as a political party, yes, she and you may ye. No, you want to be sure you continue the end 2024. That is the essence. There is no way NDC will just get up that we are going to election 2024 without putting the right structures and measures in place. And Pennyforce won't be. And maybe in the 2016, in the 2020, the party have not been able to maintain power within these 2 terms that I've mentioned. And for that reason, the year in 2016 and the year in 2020 and the year, we can't repeat same. So what I say? Because if you keep on doing the same old thing, you get the same results. There will be nothing new. And for that reason, as a political party, you say, you bet you are no more yen to be that, you are no more yen to be nra. And I said, the 2 new arm way, but done. So what I say? Near to be the 2024, not the year in setting yak. That is the concept. But so far, as somebody say, oh, had they say, or say he has declared war for 2020, he has declared war for 2024.
2024 elections.
Come on. Even by the rules of interpretation, you don't just take a document in parts. You take it as a whole. So what I say, you take it as a whole. Now, what kind of, because I said one man, for example, even an essay, yes, the essay must flow. So what I say, essay taken from a particular point, mean, do I quite see baby? What kind of story you watch out the entire and someone know can and baby no free band the entire cast partners the foundation is the most important. And I'm the one who said the party has gone back to the base of the party, which is the branches, to re-register new people. Okay? And nipa on medium on magani NDC da na enne ya beka makoma na sabaye makona so person do magani NDC no. Party na komachi according to the center of nyara. All these are part of the measures that we are putting in place. In this, our friend said, was he almost what declare? He never says what declare war. So let's not just create that concept, no? And from to say, if for example, for declare, we declare war, baby. In any case, Nana Kuwa catch and say, the battle is a lot. No declare war. Or can't actually 2008, 12, 16. No declare war. Or what did you actually say? Senator Francis Peninsula, Bema Bia, and no me. Obi ade emi no to bi nye baako na tiwa de o mkire kakra ho no kire se the next election ye and ne man kwose de yakwa ye behu de besi
e de na mo kan o kan de na mo kan
no
e de na mo kan mo fa nya nyuma
nya botre
man ko ni
enti ho
e de na mo kan o
nya botre no nya botre
e ka kasa ye
oh nya botre la mesi enti ho no mo jito mo se we declare war na. That's my question to you. What me answer that then I was. What me get to me say what declare.
Me say.
If you are able to answer that point for me, I will also give you a very nice response. Did he explain himself? No. His was a verbal statement. Where the okay from the story and the heading, they're not the same. The story and the heading are not the same. Only the end was a verbal statement. Everybody heard it. It's loud. It's clear. It's on YouTube everywhere. You can see it. So you cannot compare the two. Okay. Now back to what Prof Gyampo said. You see, and Pennyforce in Yashi and Tina was a about when they are in the Yatunche and we paint here. Nipanwa, Yanane, dear gross say no, a Nipan, a sword, one take us up. I mean the EC, especially the leader of the EC chair, a sword, one take us up. Now the ayana amani yami yapan se matena se ahwe ne madie bia ne maame play role. Go and check the Constitutional Review Commission 2011. Omo ye adwuma. She's part of the people who worked. Ndidi was commissioned as a tenase to do constitutional review. And that what they documents about 900 and something pages document. One draft that I said implemented to review our constitution. She's part of them. Then EC. I know Dr. Faridjan Dianim. Afaridjan led EC with not just a sole idea, but with the idea of many people. Even CSOs. And not imagine Mesa Quine not to make sense of the EC. Some can be almost so. Do you know how come you start using biometric system to vote? A political party MPP. Any CSOs then. And then decided to then EC. Go there for a through IPAC. And the bayer men me no kotoa ba na de ense kosi machines na yi the data banam access yen kotoa ba. And na wo say ni bakro na fofi anto ata no dwara bam. Wonya kwa betra ho as EC chair. Wo betra se no. we into. I find now what Kaya say, I pack them because there's not even binding. Sorry. Just a platform be just a mere suggestion. Really?
But what's your problem with
that? When did you see that?
But that's the truth.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
Oh, but when you were suggesting to people, they were taking your views. They didn't refer to you that your views were just mere suggestions.
But the facts here for review, and as you for review, and say the IPAC.
We don't need Gen to come and now tell us what IPAC is for.
We are also on certain more more conditional appearance on electoral commission IPAC and so on our platform and so on. Because conditional. The more as you say unsatisfied more. And now no, but said that's conditional. You only go back when you feel that according to Mo, Jane Mensa, the shooting the buy plus maybe one other commissioner. Mujili se moye convince afidon because mutimi raise ya kase si rinke tia kra kwa or kasa kra na a problem for mo.
No one say mama how do you
and because mutimi
raise
some of these things well
yes.
The bigger picture is Ghana, not that individual in all humility.
Okay.
So I didn't do baby. I intimacy and was say potential government in waiting, whether Jane Mensa or otherwise. No, it's a process. We will continue to push and press for the say Papa Ghana. No, why are we not doing that?
Society and a very simple question. If the whole mindset in Ghana, even the current is honest. Take it. 2020 year. Ombetrodi. Ombetrodi no kachira was say. What the adibia be mad. Bus system to hear so chudi for. Okay, I could go in. Okay, facial verification. So the police station was at the bill. So to
yeah.
Maybe I could tell you who facial verification machine years ago.
It seemed to a how.
And yet how keke. What you want
no credibility.
One kind of correct. Because that was a court and nobody did not see the Cassiapa. Eshagan and Ibia was over Tiasia say, and Nunti was passed in anywhere, indeed in anywhere in the past. It's another for the for me, but continuous will be a rich. Who will be beside Catcher? May for be a old tear, that's all here, who's ID or any police station, but the 10,000 Ghana citizens back from one side and first one.
So clearly, there's a platform for all these conversations.
Are they saying they don't know? Is the MPP saying they don't know? They know it. Why are they not raising it? Why are they not raising it? So there's somebody who's not honest with their own words. CIA, I can't watch my own about baby. Where's CIA 126? Oh my. Where's CIA 126? This is a CIA or Omquadi and any man who said, yeah, the best Naso Aya dance actually was about three things. One was the Ghana card, two was the passport, which is an international traveling passport, and the three was 2 registered voters vouching for you to register. Now, Mami Pesokoye new CI. And the new CI now Pesokoye. What she's trying to do is that we'll fade off this 106. Not the Fufraba.
By your continuous registration, your requirement will be a Ghana card.
Is that the best?
By your continuous registration.
Is that the best?
The requirement will be a Ghana card.
Is that the best?
Well, if you have a deficiency with that,
thank you.
You
so
put
now,
it across.
Thank you. So now listen to my points. One reason TM says doesn't make sense is one. What's what who fade off, for instance, guarantee system? But the ref says, I card now was now person your breeder document now. There are thousands of people like one card need be through the guarantee system. So if the guarantee system is bad, but they are going to get card number. And the other does it make sense to you? I said, what was on? Who said the work and accept the so, but the guarantee system, I can't get a card. I never guarantee system ever give with this ID card. Okay? Now, you want to see, CI126 was having passport as part of the documents. What are you doing? Are you telling us that a passport is not a relevant document in this country? Or mine? And you're relevant document. Now say a relevant document they using in why can't it be a platform or a medium to get a voter ID card? Ebiam okwen nesi I know. O mine. What they are saying one cited clause be was say the current voter's ID card is safe until a new one is done. Right? That clause, it needs to be amended immediately. Do you know why? The current posture of this EC can never be trusted to have such a clause in the CI. The reason is very simple. It is safe until a new one is done. Don't be surprised we have new CI when the second new CI in there. The next one she can come and tell us they want to do a voter's ID card. And they will find dubious reasons like they did in the past 2022. So as reasons why they want to do a new one. So that clause in the CI must be changed to make it say the current voter register is safe and won't be changed. No, the points I'm making is very relevant. The points I'm making is very relevant. Except you are saying that it is not. It's very relevant. These are the things in the CI. Okay? So, looking at their posture, we can't accept this to be in the
posturing of who?
Of the EC.
Reverse. Looking at the posturing of the NDC. Same cannot be said. Say, I don't know. They say, maybe some question. I don't know where you know. How ni seem to win you. Say the Democrats over time. IPAC continues to be the platform for some of these conversations. Now, Marjorie said other parties don't have reservations about the Electoral Commission and the commissioners. It can be so.
Have you heard anybody raising this concern that I've raised except the NDC? Those who have been attending IPAC.
Did you hear?
Have you heard them raising this concern?
Did you hear the NDC raise issues when the NDC was in power on Electoral Commission and matters about the electoral reforms? They challenged the MPP almost on matters of that has been the status quo.
I strongly disagree.
Okay, so instances are
presidential election petition 2013. Yeah, but so reforms are were they implemented or not?
No, but make us.
Thank you. Were they implemented?
Make a choice.
Were they implemented?
Okay, so lawyer, whether implemented or otherwise, you buy a baby sang come on, you come as here. Well, Yasabe Damu say Daniel Lee Quarter titles Glover Anafi a lawyer Chum Berima Eswatnasi. One sad one news just getting in. One of our veteran actors, Eko Blankson, Radiato Safran. So to the family, it's Yako. Eko Blankson, the Adom younger generation, but he's paid his dues. You know, his days at Coca-Cola and getting to acting and a whole lot of, he's gone through all. Gerardine Fanekra, Insi, Emma, Onina Bushanfo, Emobi Ashadi. Back to life. Topic here about discussing now, Mehomet into the discussion is Galamsey illegal mining. Capital be so swaza. No, Bibia came and get this also. Then Monday, every year, first also quick enough. Hey, now one of one year, questions not by. Some we monitor system. From your news also quick enough. You're a monitor for Galamsey. Yeah. So we must say, the constitution. There's a threshold that Yasetiama will be able to matuba. Yes. The person must be a Ghanaian, number one. He must be at age, by age 18 years and above. And then must also be of a sound mind. But so means that this criteria, the new of a Ghana card in you. Or sound mind in a vacuum baby. It's gonna go away. It's no Ghana card or there, but it's not necessarily somebody of a sound mind. Yeah. Or a Ghanaian. Or a Ghanaian. Or can be a Ghanaian. And they are not Ghanaians who have Ghana card. Non-citizens Ghana exactly. Card, yeah. It's a whole new your mind. And Penisa Cafunia come out. Yeah, one boy cocoa, yeah. A nina betum, oh, yeah. On this matter of illegal mining, I feel the MC, I didn't hear that. I want to see you.
Nah, if anything. My main TV become crime free. If anything. NIA ni yisi ni NDC for problems here your way. The best place I NDC for is to come back to IPAC. Conditions no man son of for me, it will not be in their interest. You may have your good case. But as a wajina, a pundechi, na wubumwa, ubiente. Na sa kobrati biom, na so ye bibi emfata, a wone ne nye meze etire yi. Na wo kedi si de nima direct no. For me, ye no ekom. Nti besrom. They must come back to the IPAC. Na nyina ye hwe kwan be faswa. Ye di yi betu yi. Na ye di asundwe e di apredi akoyenim. Ba sa wo gine chiri na wo tu ayampian e di bam. Me wa yi se no so onkasa wo. Ma me no onkasa. What is our kasa da?
Say boni e wodi nti.
Boni be na wodi.
Boni na wodi nti.
Boni be na wodi. Oni boni bia. Na o see 2024. And ye nanu ye ba mini twumia berema ne ye ba. Ene ye ka say NIA for sika na finance di mo na say so a. Infa bin kan mo. Na munya kwa na munya kasa bibiri before the 2024. Now, when he was they've complained.
Really?
Professor was it the budget no mudi koy no nya no says carry the money.
Okay.
So invariably it affects
their production.
The operations.
All right, okay.
Now, utu edrumonia e be kan no.
One at 20.
E bra na mosquito e ka kire mo NDC for the mom go choro din vetiase no.
One country
Jai, we have ka kire
na say den na.
O kan say
one country be
choro din NIA no. On senate.
Me ma tro me din, won bi a tro
Oh, lawyer, initially.
Please. You are a lawyer.
Nice
gentleman, don't talk like that.
But you should go so more case.
Don't
We
had some issues with it. Yes.
What issues? But you firm up and said, Ma NDC ni bianco.
One casa.
Well, who said you would
one casa?
One casa. Also bad. I was in
and the Sakasa no so and Yakasapa. And I was on from watching away. Someone trouble din. A brana moved to Nabanya Swanwa from 2009. NIA, we wouldn't buy Professor B. Professor B. One Professor B. IT specialist B. So, when ye be should be a seer. And you buy a trust wanga. We have covered a lot of people. You couldn't produce one card.
Oh.
You could not produce one NIA card. Baku come on to man. And now, mosquito oh, Kasa min Kasa. And now, yes, sir. Ukasa.
Okay,
so
and
the complaint. Who can catch this phone say? Sakasa no.
And your papa.
Kasa better than
Galase asemi die. Enyo bia de. Abnai. Sabi mimi fimpuano. Ba me ye me national service. Ewo a Winstraman district at the time. It will be you're from Ammonia, a wind district. 12 miles to Enchi. Na ekrase a my friend Ammonia no. Chumwe. Na iso kese bi e da stream bi da ho. Ye fe ne kasoro. Okay. Kasoro. Na ye ko fomu a ye ti haman no a na de senso. Come. I don't know how a crano senate be say. Na ye kwaya bi wo ho ye si branda bi anu sa kwaya de yankom. But mpenyifo ni ye bibi aye de hu be hye mu say we must be able to preserve it, our forest. But not for superstition. But they put that fear in the people. Generation upon generation and yaba. And then galam say na ba no. Say ye mia ye nim na ye mfa ye nsi ho a. Ade efe be time. I am not happy, I'm not enthused about what is happening. Last time yaba Adom FM any ekusi saying I'm a catch me Eric say Eric here. Galase we if you want to run politics for that, what's suffer?
When you're healthy.
Let's put the politics aside and deal with the substance. Because impunity na ekoso no e ya doso do. E den nipa ye pay reasi. Greed, e infa na ye de yeko. Na ye galamsey ya sebio galamsey areas ni nyina no there are no factories be wo and na shopping malls be any papa je ni wo. In the dwuma mu di wo no an say kwadie any illegal mining. Ye chere kwan ye fa so ye nyina ye ne kama kama. Wotutu fo mu akata so. So no. Wotutu amna kata so. Na lands and forests for e mom nua na mo dedua ni ye ko. Ene cocoa farmer. Last week Wednesday na me got to be 3. I say odi cocoa no e dia magalamsey for.
Was one see danda.
Odi magalamsey for. So it's a serious problem if we are not careful. The cocoa that have been the mainstay, that have been the nation's survivor.
Wow.
Yes, he was bold enough to hit his chest. After the man who said cocoa board for no up again. But it's a human way, and yet nipa bakudia. And the minister or say, Gyampo, say, MMDC needs empowerment.
Oh, that be please. All these calls in that.
What do you say? And look at the fight. Look, we need to commend one of the MMDCs.
Yeah, this man is very exceptional.
This guy,
yeah,
very exceptional.
Yeah.
And the
very exceptional. Yeah,
LMLC.
Yes.
Bonzo.
I don't watch
illegal.
Very exceptional. He doesn't do illegal.
He's done well.
He alone has
done. He's done well.
What
does he? And I like his spirit.
The party fool.
I'm making sure say Galamsey no.
He's done well. Bonzo has really done well.
And clearly, Kobre. Asima ye kan Galamsey you know. And we need to commend you the media because your forthrightness and your zeal.
Careful, media for credit and Jim. That's the danger now.
Simbo to be an.
Yes, to be. That's a one. If you are not beating them, and I'm a me and Casa de Bianeza, Makwa was a crop. Yeah, advocacy against illegal mining. And as I could because now knowing that could drop by me. And then see, I don't want to see me low. This is all moody in the crowd. When you could draw me, I may advocate for illegality. Was it for better to tell you the man 30,000? Not on me man 1 month. Or my 100,000. About $1 million Ghana cedi. Let me jai de bibina. You know, I was and
that is a level of impunity.
That's what I'm saying.
That is a level of impunity.
The courage, the
impunity.
Me, I'm your advocate. And I'm saying, what?
On Vanyahi.
That's where we've got into.
And clearly, Galasima say me there. Obi awuye ibiano. I will say quiet. We say so. You must bury your head in shame.
So sad.
You must bury your head in shame because you look at the level of destruction. But Governor, fight near.
Yeah,
that is why we need everybody to support him in the fight. For me, we should suspend the Galamsey. Yes.
Well, you see, more money, Rebecca said there's the legal aspect of it, people working legally, you know, and there's the illegal aspect of it.
Let's suspend it.
Don't call for a problem by say regularity, you know. Not party for. I don't blame my party for because even if I admit the NDC, still opportunities be from Ako. Yesuni e buying e kasi ye jade na ya behihye ni ya. Ade na esi ye jade no. Lawyer, obehu no. Yes, ye jade no. Ye kwa na take leader e yansa na. Ye wa chile so abetwe. That is the problem.
As a way of dealing with this menace, destructive menace, you know. Let's put a hold on this again.
There shouldn't be. I don't think there should be a hold. For instance, I disagree totally with the directive from the lands minister that Samatex and Akonta mining issue. There should be punitive measures. Omunyina kutomun krata. Samatex for kutomun krata for nuya. Akonta kuta for mining. So Obia at Russia, do we direct that we should all stop working?
Thank you.
Why do we do this to ourselves? That's the point. Why do we do this to ourselves? So we come and sit here and be able to say, I think here say, you better stakeholder engagement, you better empowerment. You are wasting money and time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Money and time.
I know you have been waiting for one.
And the music for one.
I see Alan Chematin on that.
Oh.
Era Alan Chematin.
Senior, happy birthday.
Say the politics now in Jebet Chelsea, I would have package. He would go here, Ochia for Kakavia. I don't want to say,
yeah, we should happy birthday, senior.
I've heard as all on the side.
Yeah, as all on the side. And said that the catcher lawyer say, Kojo Kojo former KM boss friends Kojo Bosu. SCC bill boss or ye interviews or potential Oti who de la ye what was it? Also, ye share me ye
no, sound the neighbor only and I'm Smithers baby. And I'm and I want to and I'm so my neighbor there came this. I mean I will try to more slow down. Actually neighbor ni e. Bibia ni so. Na when NDC Kojo Bosu na say. Ebi na try na me come me so come me because me nyanse so abeg.
The former parliamentary candidate for Ayawaso West Wogon. Uba Kaya. Vantage places in the
pictures.
This is one country. Where do you say me and this grant
Kojo Bosu the terrace.
Kojo Bosu the terrace. And the photo. And the officer be a Ghana for who nature. Number one. But on cars, apart from that, the mementi be
illegal. And the last one or the brand
me be oba.
Some of you so be
ahifa.
More flag bearership contest.
Edru
okay.
One can was a moment in news.
I will be with Medina no go form. What was that one? Very say.
Constituency elections. And I read now so immediately after and national.
So illegal mining.
Illegal mining there no credit me no mine. Sabi yenti metna ma enya atwum. Enya ade enya nenye. Me yachim ni me fi achim here. Na sini yakase me okan asem bi fa insu bia na da e western ho ba bia no mo sabi. Indeed, me de me am krom de be example brem. O ma hene. Mi so am na me na mo te ekofo mu a. Brem mu ne ekon mu so. In fact me na be ma ekokofo bia, ani pon o de gi CMB scholarship ma me de ko secondary school. Na da brem ho penti edogum. Ti se brem yiri a, se stop brem se brem yi yantimi kofo. Because yiri be fo mu ina. Na nche because tete ne nkumna so go dey very dangerous about kofo because tell you na because wakoto. Enum ni ekosen suo no ye bibiara. In fact we gina brem nkon so awan. Ade a hu brem asepa ye kokwaba. Na abo na ho fite bi. Se guase bebre. And ochima man dem na ebena da bia na ye nko ba bia brem wo. Ti wo a wo fo brem no hu bia ho nko fo mbra. And as he was saying, just one means and they preserve your bodies water bodies near that. And they ko hwede asi. O man. Brem ya man no man na wonim ne kwan bi. Araho. In so na mu ascend the end to say o kan wasem kwa yenwie. Now I am wondering when say everything ko asidi a say so na nipa betimi ate. And I don't mean when news be on social media. Chabi I in so yira fa chabi nkro no bi. But aye say so be yira form. Aye say so be yira form because say embenefo se bibia anye wa hunyansa hu. Ti aye say so be yira form. No ma hu the effect as I do man ya transi ahwa ma ekoso no. E de bebra manfo ne temamfo. O ma hene. Ebiem the same last week ya. Me hu video bi also on social media Facebook. And so me am matching for ya. And my mu abi kutetuo tutuo basa. That's what my tax force. Really? When I tell them sir. Tutuo good ni pomo as I said they wouldn't know. What no da ba? And the danger is that etuo no want to know etuo na ba no epete bia. It can just kill anybody anywhere. And they were firing indiscriminately. How? Some of your tax force. Watching. Agra. Wadaruma. Asuna this year. Asuna for a PSC no. Where dear me Sarawada. Mr. The tax force no winning and now winning mom kana ask them to step down. If you say, I do my way no, and your tax force with my mind, and as a civilian tax force with my mind. And the state security apparatus, i.e. the military, the police and other forces na make me a boy me a company with my command. And they wouldn't be misbehaving like the way those boys were misbehaving. Yebasro. Wadaroma. I from the video me who say what he be the deal when him this boys then and do am call. Set some power here na Wadaroma call him to order. Wow this year me. Call him to order. Na say my mu anu so kuta pump action weapons and guns now we do much. And number near that, they are not trained to carry weapons. And for that reason, they need not to be carrying weapons around. enkoto tutuo basabasa won grofo krom mi hu ka mienu bi o ma hene ja tuo gu ka nim oh senior it's so bad Asamanta for dey na was visa it's so bad.
All right, so on that note here that will be Prof Gyampo in the Adom TV. Daniel Nikwa title lawyer Rachel. Hey, yeah,
o ma hene Asamanta I don't want me was someone
and one day